Well, you can tell it's getting summertime, well, springtime, whatever you want to call it. We got the F-150 here. We're going to be doing an upgrade to it. The needle, well, it says park neutral. If you're watching this, you're probably having the same issue. It's not lining up. There's a little plastic piece under the dash, and it's usually broke. Well, ours is broken. We got it held with a zip tie, and it works for now. But I picked this up. This is the upgrade piece. It ain't plastic. It's more like a die cast aluminum. And you can pick these up online on eBay for like 12 bucks. Highly recommend it. Almost all Fords use this setup from the beginning of time. And Chevrolet, you know, and GM, they got the same sort of setup. So usually if your park don't line up, something like this, if you got a column shift. So let's show you how to take it out. To remove this, you will need to pop this fuse cover off. Mine's done off. There's a bolt here, here, underneath, one underneath the brake. That's 4 bolts you will need to remove. There's a bolt here. You need to remove this bolt. There's a bolt over there. And then, if I remember correctly, since I've been into this 3 or 4 times, this snaps off. Be gentle, because they are brittle and can break. What did I do? I turn my headlights on or something? Put my key in. Oh, key's in it. And this, like so. And behind this is 2 more bolts. Well, I thought they was 2 bolts. I just set that up out of the way. Yep, that was one. Got a bolt here, and no bolt on this side. So we need to remove all them bolts I just showed you. You can just leave this up out of the way. You don't have to fight with getting it out, but you can if you want to. Once we get that down, I'll show you what that piece looks like. So the size that I'm using to do this is a 7mm. It'll focus. Now we got all the bolts out, and just for added clarity, there might be a bolt on this metal bracket that's directly under here. Mine was missing, and it looks like it would use 1 bolt. Now this just feeds out and over, and they water on that for some odd reason. I don't know why. Maybe my truck is leaking somewhere. That's a problem for another day. So we're going to set this outside and get under the dash once we move it all the way back. The seat, you know, because I'm a big boy. Underneath, oh, you can see my temporary fix is a zip tie, but there's a cape. Ugh. And this is what breaks. And this is what adjusts your park needle. And you can see I put a zip tie to keep tension on it. And let's just take it loose there. And it held pretty good. And this is a smaller, I think it's a whatever size this is, but it's definitely not a 7. So you take this little bolt out, and then this comes out where you can install your new one. But I gotta cut some zip ties. So the size of this is, just so you know, it's a 5. Well, this video's chaotic. It's a 5.5, and don't lose your screw. It's a whole different size than the other ones. So now I gotta get these zip ties, as I said before, and then we can install this onto that, then adjust it once we get it all up in there. So to remove this, all you do is twist your little adjuster nut right here. Just twist your nut, then it will come off. You pull this off. Note the orientation. You want your new one to go on the same way, but the wheel goes in between here. Now this is the new piece. Note the orientation. This only can go on one way. so when you get it up there, it fits on a dowel. So I had to file the inside of this because it kind of fit kind of tight. So what I'm going to do, set my wheel in, my adjuster wheel, and don't tell me I have to file in there too. Oh, that is. Then we'll feed it in the hole. Line everything up, hopefully. Got to twist the wheel and feed it in up through it, which is going to be a little difficult. So let's try to just get it started. Take your time, you don't want to damage your cable, it can be brittle. And now you can understand about how this works. It's pretty simple. This right here is your park little lever up on the dash. It moves. And this adjusts it. And all you do is twist this wheel. You can see it's got a little catch in it. And that adjusts the height and stuff. So let's go ahead and install this the same way it came out with your little 5.5 bolt. And don't forget to hook this onto the little center console. This will go up in here, and then it will hook. It's hard to do this one-handed, but just to show you, it's pretty simple to hook. It just hooks on that hook right there. I said hook a lot in this video. Okay, I'm gonna have to have both hands. Okay, so I got everything hooked up. You can see. Don't over tighten that, you come crack at that. Is just cheap aluminum, but it's a lot better than the plastic we had. And you can see the hook. So let's get up and adjust this. Well, that's pretty good right there. I can't get that lucky twice, can I? So you just stick your hand under here, find the wheel, and you just twist it. One way goes up, one way goes down. You can see we moved it right there. Here's the wheel. I can get to it. Ugh. So, it's a little difficult to get to. Just because I'm filming and can't see where I need to put my hand. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're going down. We need to go the other way. We moved. So, now let's see what we got. Reverse, neutral, drive, park. I don't know about you, but fixed is fixed. And that's a good upgrade. I should never have to worry about it again the whole time I own this truck. I don't know if it's a truck I'm going to own a long time or just one I'm going to own a couple months. Who knows? Never know about me. But whoever gets it don't have to worry about it either. Good upgrade. Hopefully this video was helpful and it helped you out. Also, check the eBay store out. It's in the description below. I sell car parts, tools, toys. Yeah, it might be something you need. Don't buy anything you don't need though. But if you want to give me a little extra support, buy something. It helps me out. But a like and comment on this video helps just as much. Appreciate you watching. Good luck with your Ford truck. Yep. It's affordable, ain't it? Hopefully it was. If not,